Learn how to clean your YouTube search history in just 1 minute and make your privacy fully secure, fast, simple, and effective. Before we start, make sure to leave a like and drop a heart in the comments. So just like always, let's start from the very beginning. Quickly open your YouTube app. After opening YouTube, go to the top right corner and press on your profile. Once you're in your profile, go to Settings. Inside Settings, you'll find the option called History and Privacy. This setting controls how your watch and search history is saved. It also allows you to clear your history and manage what YouTube remembers about you. In History and Privacy, you'll see 4 ways to control your history. Clear watch history. This deletes all the videos you've watched from your history. After clearing, YouTube will stop recommending videos based on those. Clear search history. This deletes all the past searches you've made on YouTube. After clearing, YouTube won't suggest videos based on your old searches. Pause watch history. This stops YouTube from saving the videos you watch. It helps keep your watch history private and unchanged. Pause search history. This stops YouTube from saving what you search. Your future searches won't appear in your history. So these were all the methods you can use to clear and manage your YouTube history. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video.